In this video, I'll show the fastest way to build an Anna app, from idea to local testing, publishing, review, and installation. First, I clone the official Anna examples repo, so my coding agent has working references for app manifests, UI bundles, and Anna app patterns. Then I ask the agent to read the docs and study the examples first, instead of coding blindly. After that, I give it the actual product requirement, build Video Brief Studio, a simple Anna app that turns a short video idea into a structured video brief. Once the coding agent finishes the first version, I test it locally. I first check and install the Anna Developer CLI and confirm the environment is ready. Then I log into my developer account. After that, I use the CLI to validate the app configuration and start a local preview. In the local preview, I test the main flow with a simple prompt, a 30-second video about latest AI agents trend. The app takes this idea and uses Anna's LLM to generate a structured video brief. As you can see, the generation works. Then I test the save button as well, and the result is saved successfully. So the local version is working, and I can move on to publishing. Next, I use the CLI to push the working draft to Anna, then create a version for review. All of these CLI commands are documented in Anna's official reference page, so developers can always check the exact command, options, and publishing flow there. After that, I submit the app for a review. In the developer console, I can already see the new project and its version. Once the app is approved, I publish the version from the platform. Then I go to the App Store, install the app, open it from my installed apps, and grant the required permission, including LLM access. After that, I test the same prompt again on the platform, and the app works there too. This is the simplest kind of Anna app, a front-end UI that calls Anna's LLM, but Anna can support much more than this. Developers can also build apps with bundled executed tools, persistent storage, files, image generation, agent sessions, credentials, and richer runtime capabilities. If your app includes a backend-style executed tool, the publishing flow is a little more involved. You may need to provide distribution metadata, such as binary GitHub release assets, so Anna can install and run the tool safely for users. I won't go deep into that in this video, but the official docs cover the full executed distribution workflow. For this demo, I'm keeping it to the simplest path, a UI app that calls the LLM and gets published through Anna. If you're interested, the Developer Hub and reference docs show all the capabilities you can build with.